Hi, I'm Tom Quinn, Executive Director of Alameda Connects and the Alameda Corridor Business Improvement District, here with our October video message. We have several exciting things coming up. First, on Thursday, October 26th, we'll have our annual haunted tour of Belmar Park, the historic structures there. That'll be starting at 6:30 p.m. Meet in front of the Heritage Lakewood Visitor Center. Make sure to bring your camera with you to try and get some ghost photos while you're out there. Then next we'll have our November community meeting on Wednesday, November 1st at 7:30 a.m. But this month we will be at the Gold Crown Fieldhouse. So don't go to our usual location at West Metro Fire Rescue because you'll be very lonely. So again, that's at the Gold Crown Fieldhouse. We'll be in the gymnasium there starting at our usual time at 7:30 a.m. Finally, keep an eye open for details on our upcoming Eco Business Workshop that will be on Friday, November 17th from 8 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Location is to be announced. More information on that soon. Thank you very much, and we'll see everyone at one of our events. Thank you.